Welcome back to the CB550 build that we're doing for Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to be putting on the intake manifolds. Those would be going into the cylinder, and then we're going to be installing the exhaust pipe. Both are going to be requiring installing the studs that allow us to put the bolts, actually they're nuts, the nuts onto the bolts to hold the parts on, right? So anyway, that's what we'll be doing today. So come along for the ride and check it out. Okay, so what we're doing now is we're going to be cleaning up the threads because we're putting these posts inside to be able to mount the manifolds for the carburetors. So you always want to have nice threads that are happy to receive bolts, especially since this has gone through some powder coat. It's got maybe some powder coat grit or sanding grit from the sandblaster, some media inside here. We don't want that, and perhaps there's some powder coat in there. Okay, so we are doing a comparison, boys and girls, to see which one we like best. Interesting, right? What do we think? I like the silver, so silver it will be. Well, that's pretty, isn't it? So we put that like that. Let's go ahead and grab this exhaust pipe and throw it on. So this exhaust is, I think from Carpy's. I'm not positive about that, but it is coated with something called Cerakote, which is a ceramic coating. Cerakote? Ceramicote. It's ceramic. So it's supposed to dissipate heat and I think not discolor. Okay, so I'm going to get some spring washers on here. Nice and clean.
Shiny, shiny.
Shiny, shiny. It's a thing of beauty. Way cool, way cool.